Hello children, welcome to grade 3 block 11, writing on our own. Dear students, in this lesson, you will be able to write your own poems with rhyming words. Now, let's learn the keywords. The keywords are what, where, need, don't need. Dear children, look at the poem properly and carefully because these poems which you have read and learned in the previous class. So what all the things is similar in each stanza and what is different in each stanza that we can learn in this lesson. How is one stanza of the poem similar to and different from the other stanzas? In all the stanzas, the similarity we could see is there is a dash in or on, the dash, I need a dash, not a dash. The rhyming words are different in each stanza. The problem and the things we need and don't need to solve it are different in each stanza. How did we write the two stanzas of the poem? What questions helped us to think? We thought, what is the thing? Where is it? What do we need and what don't we need? What should the first two lines, third and the fourth lines of the stanza tell? What should be the relationship between the thing and the place where it is? What kind of things need to be written in the third and fourth blank? The first two lines tell the problem. The things is always in a place where it should not be. For example, the tree should not be on the author's knee. The blank in the third line should tell the solution to the problem. The word in the fourth blank need to be a thing that can't be the solution. How can we add words to describe the problem and the solution? We can add adjectives that describe each thing. For example, there is a grey mouse in my big house. I need a fast cat, not a nice hat. This gives more information. Dear children, hope you all understood the session. We'll meet you in the next class with a different topic. Until then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you, children. God bless you.